So hello everyone, welcome to Kaizen classes. So in this class, we'll discuss about some important MCQs relating to military exercises of India with other countries, and we'll also discuss how these military exercises are important for India in international ties. Question number 1. When we celebrate Indian Navy Day? The answer is option C, 4th December. Just for more information, every year India celebrates December 4 as Navy Day. This is to commemorate key offensive during the 1971 India-Pakistan War, when the Indian Navy inflicted heavy damage on Pakistani vessels in Karachi Harbour. The same day also marks the end of Navy Week, which too is celebrated annually. Question number 2. Where is the headquarters of Indian Air Force located? Answer is option number B, New Delhi. Question number 3. Who is the Chief of Naval Staff of Indian Navy? The answer is Admiral Karambir Singh. You can see his photo on the right side. Do you have any idea who is the father of Indian Navy? Can you just write in comments who is the father of Indian Navy? So for your information, the father of Indian Navy is the great Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is considered as the father of Indian Navy. So where is the headquarters of Indian Navy located? Answer is B, New Delhi. Question number 5. When is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated? Answer is option number C, 8th October. Who is the Chief of Air Staff in Indian Air Force? Answer is option number B, Air Chief Marshal V.K. Chaudhary. You can see his photo on the right side. Where is Indian Army headquarters located? Answer is option B. So as you can see, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, all the headquarters are located in New Delhi. So you can remember that easily. All the headquarters are located at New Delhi. So now question number 8. When is Indian Army Day celebrated? Answer is option A, 15th January. Just for information, you should know the slogans of the Army, the Air Force and the Indian Navy. The slogan of Army is Seva Paramo Dharma. Seva Paramo Dharma is the slogan of Indian Army. Nabha Sparsam Deeptam is the slogan of Indian Air Force. Sham No Varuna is the slogan of Indian Navy. Question number 9. Between which countries Jair El Bahar military exercise is associated? The answer is option B, Qatar and India. So for information, Jair El Bahar was initiated in 2019. The main significance of the exercise is to strengthen the Indian-Qatar ties. It helps to strengthen cooperation and enhance interoperability between the two navies. It also fights against terrorism, maritime piracy and amplify maritime security. Question number 10. What is the military exercise edition of Jair El Bahar? So answer is option B, 2nd edition. So just for information, you should remember all the exercises which are in their 1st or 2nd edition, because they are mainly asked in the exam. The older exercises are not that much asked, but the recent exercises which are in their 1st and 2nd edition are generally asked in the exam. So please remember these things. Question number 11. In which place does Jair El Bahar originated? So answer is Persian Gulf. Question number 12. When was the first edition of Jair El Bahar started? Option A is the right answer. As I previously said you, 2019. It was started, the first edition was in 2019. Question number 13. What type of exercise is Jair El Bahar? So option A is the correct answer. It is a naval exercise. Question number 14. Between which countries Jayat Talwar 2021 is associated? It's between India and UAE. So Jayat Talwar 2021 is associated with India and UAE. Question number 15. Where is the place of the origin of the military exercise Jayat Talwar 2021? The answer is option number A, coast of Abu Dhabi. These exercises are a bit important than others because these are the 1st and 2nd edition or 3rd edition. So these are very important actually. Question number 16. What is the edition of the military exercise Jayat Talwar So the answer is this is the first edition of Jayat Talwar, which was in 2021. So as this is the first edition, so this is very important for the exam point of view. So when was the first edition of military exercise Jayat Talwar 2001 started? As this is the first edition, so please remember the date. It was started on 7th August 2021. Just remember the date, 7th August. What type of military exercise is Jayat Talwar 2021? It's a naval exercise. As you know, it's a naval exercise. Question number 19. Between which countries Al-Mohad Al-Hindi 2021 military exercise is associated? The answer is option C, India, Saudi Arabia. So question number 20. Where is the place of origin of Al-Mohad Al-Hindi 2021? The answer is option B, coast of Al-Jubail. Question number 21. SLINEX is the naval exercise between India and which country? So the answer is option number D, Sri Lanka. These type of exercises are quite easy to remember, but because you can just find the name of Sri Lanka and India in the exercise name itself. You can see SL, SLINEX. SL stands for Sri Lanka and I stands for India. So this is quite easy to remember this type of exercises. Question number 22. Which military exercise is associated with India and Japan? So the answer is C, GMAX. This is also very easy. You can just see the options and get the correct answer. J stands for Japan and I stands for India. Question number 23. Nazim Al-Bahar is naval exercise between India and which country? Option A is the correct answer, Oman. Question number 24. Which military exercise is associated with India and Indonesia? Answer is option number A, Samudra Shakti. This is quite a popular exercise and you must be knowing it. Just a little hint to remember this, as you know that Indonesia is surrounded by oceans. So you can relate oceans to Samudra. So India and Indonesia, the exercise is known as Samudra Shakti. As Indonesia is prone to many tsunamis, you must have heard in news that it is prone to many tsunamis and earthquakes even. So like you can just relate it to Samudra, Indonesia, and Samudra Shakti, India and Indonesia. Question number 25. Which military exercise is associated with India and Myanmar? So option B is the correct answer, IMCOR. You can just find the trick, easy trick. India, I stands for India and M stands for Myanmar. So this is very easy. Question number 26. Which military exercise is associated with India and Thailand? So this is option number D, SITMAX is the correct answer. You can just find T here, Thailand, and I also for India. Question number 27. Sampriti 9 is a military exercise between India and which country? Option number C, Bangladesh is the correct answer. Meaning of Sampriti is real love and attachment. Question number 28. Garuda Shakti is a military exercise between India and which country? The answer is Indonesia. Question number 29. Bongo Sagar and INBN Corpat is a military exercise between India and which country? The answer is option number C, Bangladesh. From Bongo only you can just get to know that it is Bangladesh. You can relate it. Question number 30. Vajra Prahar 2021 is a military exercise between India and which country? So the answer is option A, USA. So as you know, Vajra means lightning. You can just relate USA, as USA is the most powerful country in the world in terms of Navy or Air Force or Army. So you can just compare Vajra with USA, powerful, and you can Vajra Prahar, you can relate. It is a military exercise between India and USA. Question number 31. Which edition of military exercise is Vajra Prahar? So Vajra Prahar 2021 is the 11th edition. Option A is the correct answer, 11th edition. Special Forces of India and USA conducted the joint military exercise Vajra Prahar 2021 in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 32. When is the first edition of Vajra Prahar started? It was in the year 2010. Option D is the correct answer. So I want to name you some other exercises between India and USA. So there is an army exercise which name is exercise Yudh Abhyas. There is a air force exercise between India and USA which is named as COPE India. There is also another one exercise known as Red Flag, which is USA's multilateral air exercise. So there is another exercise between India, USA and Japan. It is known as Malabar exercise. This one is bit important because I have seen it is asked in some exams. Malabar exercise is between India, USA and Japan. Question number 33. Which military exercise is associated with India and Kyrgyzstan? Answer is option B, Khanjar. The exercise Khanjar was held for 2 weeks. It focuses on counter-terrorism and high altitude and mountain trainings. The Khanjar exercise is held annually between India and Kyrgyzstan since 2011. Just for GK, the capital of Kyrgyzstan is, anyone knows the capital of Kyrgyzstan? If you know, then comment below. If you don't know, the answer is Bishkek. So question number 34. Which edition is the military exercise Khanjar? Answer is option B, 8th edition. Question number 35. Gandiv, the military exercise conducted by? The answer is option A, NSG, National Security Guard. The headquarters of NSG is at New Delhi. You should remember the motto of the National Security Guard. The motto of National Security Guard is Sarvatra Sarvotam Suraksha. This is the motto of NSG Guard. Just remember it. Question number 36. Which edition of military exercises is Gandiv? So it's 3rd edition. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 37. Which edition of military exercises is Desert Night 21? So the answer is 1st edition, and as this is the 1st edition, this becomes important in the point of view of examination. Question number 38. On which year the 1st edition of military exercises Desert Night started? Answer is simple, C, 2021. Desert Night is started on the year 2021. Question number 39. What type of military exercises is Desert Night? So answer is option B, Air Force. For more information, the Indian Air Force IAF started the first major international war game involving its Rafale fighter jets in Jodhpur with French counterparts. The French are participating with Rafale, Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport, A400M tactical transport aircraft, and approximately 175 army personnel to be specific. Question number 40. Which military exercise is associated with India and France? So answer is the important one, Desert Night 21, which is held in this year only, and this is very important because India and France now share a very good deal in arms exchange. So this becomes very important in examination point of view. Question number 41. Which edition of military exercise is Desert Flag 6? So as in the question itself it is mentioned VI, so it is the 6th edition. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 42. Desert Flag is the military exercise between India and which country? This is a quadrilateral exercise. This is between India, UAE, USA and France. So 4 countries take part in it. Question number 43. What is the type of military exercises is Desert Flag 6? So this is an Air Force exercise. Desert Flag is an annual multinational large force employment warfare exercise hosted by UAE Air Force. The duration of this exercise is 3 weeks. It was started at 3rd March and it continued till 27 March 2021 at Al Dhafra Air Base, UAE. Question number 44. Santir Ugrasena 2021 is the military exercise between India and which country? So Santir Ugrasena is held between all of these above countries, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. This year the event was held at Bangladesh. It continued for 10 days. It was concluded on 12th April 2021. This was very significant because the year 2021 marks the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between India and Bangladesh. It was held at Bangabandhu Sena Nibas, BBS, Bangladesh. Question number 45. What is the military exercise edition of Santir Ugrasena? So answer B is the correct answer. First edition. In which year the first edition Santir Ugrasena started? Answer is option A, 2021. Question number 47. What type of military exercise is Santir Ugrasena 2021? It is an army exercise. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 48. Which military exercise is associated with India and USA? Yudh Abhyas. As I said you earlier, Yudh Abhyas is an army exercise between India and USA. What is the edition of military exercise Yudh Abhyas? It is the 17th edition. Question number 50. On which year first edition of military exercise Yudh Abhyas started? So as this is a famous exercise between the two countries, so just remember the date when it was started, the first edition. The answer is option A, 2004. Thank you everyone for joining with us today. We'll keep you updated with new military exercises. If you want to keep us motivated, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. All the best for your future exams.